My country people, this is na Pidgin News Network with Man About Town.
I think Africans should come to that realization that it is not vaccines.
My people, before I tell you for the language you go understand wetin Professor Ben Ayade dey talk, I want make una reason, think and wella wetin this man dey talk. Shey e make sense or e no make sense? But if it makes sense, the big question to our government be say, why we no try this thing wey this man dey talk? Senegal don try am, everybody happy. Madagascar don try am, nobody die. Why we no try this thing wey this man dey talk? Abeg, oya, make we carry dey go.
I think Africans should come to that realization.
Make African people think and well. No be vaccine o, na better healthy life and make people get work o. Takwan Bekiwa be tell the world people say make dem no give them HIV drug o for inside South Africa, but make dem give them better money, make dem do better agriculture, and everybody go get better work o. We go live better life o. And you go see say HIV go vanish kpatakpata. Na the same thing o with coronavirus too. This one go fit make your mind take shake small, but make you know say I dey yarn from better ogbonge scientific background. Even the virus and the PCR test method say make we no put our mind on top of at all o, because dem no suppose use am for diagnosis purposes, but for genomic sequencing wey be ordinary research. Dem don dey use PCR. Even people wey dey produce test kits don dey make plenty money o. Oya wait, make I ask you, if I test you of coronavirus, wetin you think I go do? Because no vaccine and no better way wey the world don put say dem go use take treat coronavirus. Okay, now wey me and you don know say some people don well of coronavirus, why dem no come collect their serum? Because their serum go show say dem don get antibodies against the sickness. So make dem collect their serum, take do synthesis of their serum based on electrophoresis and synthesize come produce plenty vaccine. Why federal government no fit put money make dem do research come dey produce vaccine for inside obodo Nigeria? We get plenty professors of virology wey dey inside our university, dey do nothing. With the money wey Nigeria get, we fit do better machine wey go produce world-class vaccine. Okay, make I tell you, I be teach immunology for inside university. So wetin you go do to person wey be say you know say e don well, as dem dey talk say dem don discharge 19, dem don discharge 20, and dem don well. That one be say the people body don dey kakaraka and their antibodies wey dem get, you fit collect small take pass through the Fourier transforming ferretoscopy through the dictionary to establish ingredient wey dey work and hemoglobin wey dey active wey go respond to coronavirus and synthesize am plenty come produce your plenty vaccine. This na Pidgin News Network o.